You cannot make money online without any of these three. Welcome. Oluwabi Ajele Samson is here from wikito.com. There's a question that is running through my head. Is it possible to actually make money online without any investments? To this very question, my answer is a yes and also a no. And before you judge me, why not watch through this video so that you know why I said it's a yes and why I said it's a no. Before you can start making money online, you need three things. It's either you have all the three or you have one of the three. If you don't have any of these three things, forget making money online. Honestly, you cannot make money online without any of these three. These three things are so crucial that if you do not have them, then honestly speaking, you cannot make money online. I just have to be frank with you. But if you possess any of these three things, then making money online for free without any investment is possible. Number one thing you need: time and willingness to learn. You see, if you have time and all you have is time and your desire to learn, you can make money online. Here is why. You have the time to learn a skill. You come to this channel, you watch how to design a landing page, then you go to a freelancing website, Fiverr. It's free to register. You register on Fiverr for free and you post there that you can design a landing page. Customers will come there because customers are always coming. Customers will come there and they will see you that you are offering the service. They will pay you for the service and you deliver the service. You have learned it for free. You have gotten the client for free. You have been able to earn because you have time and willingness to learn. If you do not have time and willingness to learn, then you need to possess this number two: influence and relationship. If you don't have time and willingness to learn, it's fine. You can still make money online without any investment. If you have influence and relationship, if you have people you can recommend things to, if you have a lot of friends that trust your personality, that believes in your recommendation, just recommending a product to them, you can earn a commission. That is what we call affiliate marketing. You have a bed that you have used before and you like the product. Probably you love Muka foam and a friend of yours wants to buy Muka. You just direct him to a Muka shop where he can buy. For him buying based on your referral, you are going to get a commission. It's as simple as that. However, this might not work well offline if you do not have a pre-discussion with the owner of the store. But online, there are platforms that allows you to register for free, copy a product link, send to people that want to buy, and whenever they buy, you get a commission automatically. It is called affiliate marketing. You have been able to make money just because you have influence and you have relationship. I've been able to discuss two things that can earn you money for free. If you have, number one, if you have time and you are willing to learn. Number two, if you have relationship and influence. Number three is money. If you don't have time and you're not willing to learn, that's fine. If you don't have the influence and the relationship, it's also fine. Then you must have money, because you can use money to buy the skill and you can also use money to buy the influence. So it's possible to make money without any investment if you have the time and willingness to learn, or you have influence and relationship that you can recommend product or service to. If you don't have any of those two, then you need to have money. No matter how small it is, you need money to buy the influence, which we call traffic, and the skill. You can buy a course, you can buy a product. You have peer house, white label product that are already designed. You just buy and you promote and you keep all the profits. I think by this I've been able to justify if you can make money online without any investment. So if you are here and you want to make money online without any investment, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I'll be teaching you skills that can earn you money online. I'll also be teaching you how you can get influence and relationship and use them to make more money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you have any question, do not forget to leave it in the comment section below. I will see you in another video. Peace out.